Hey friends, if you wish to enable or disable automatic downloads on Google Chrome, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So here's what we can do. Search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and open Chrome. Click on these three dots at the top right corner, scroll down and click on Settings. Click on Privacy and Security on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, we will scroll down and click on Site Settings. Now we will scroll down and click on Additional Permissions. Now we'll scroll down and click on Automatic Downloads. So we have options here. Sites can ask to download multiple files or do not ask. So if you want do not ask thing, then you can select this one and now they will automatically download, but I prefer the first option for security reasons. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.